Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm in Dwarka and I'm in the Ramphal Chowk market of Dwarka, and I thought I'll make a video. So this is Ramphal Chowk market of Dwarka on a Tuesday evening, and you can see the shops here at night. It is 8:30 in the evening. So Dwarka is a planned sub-city, but this is the only market in Dwarka, Ramphal Chowk market, which is not a planned market. Dwarka as a sub-city came up sometime in 2001, but at that time not many people were living here. So when metro came to Dwarka in 2005, that is the time when a lot of people moved to Dwarka. So in 2003, when I first saw this market, this was a really small market. It had like 5 or 6 shops only, really small market, and today it has grown into a fairly big market. So you can have a look at the market. By the way, right from the beginning, Ramphal Chowk was always the hub of civil aviation courses for pilot training, for cabin crew, and it is still a kind of hub of civil aviation courses. So you can see the market. So that is one poetic pilot academy, and there are many such academies here. So you can see the market, it's brightly lit up, and the weekly off is on Wednesday, I think. There are lots of eateries here. There are a lot of auto repair shops here. This place has got many gyms also and salons. That's Theobroma here, and lots of other eateries. You can see the outlets here. So this shop is one of the oldest here. It's been there since 2002. Sandhya Garments. It was a very small shop earlier, but now it's become very big. And that is MSK Residency and a business center. It is one of the oldest in this market since I think 2004. So this is a very popular shop here, Kali Ghata. It's like Haldiram's, and it's very big. And by the way, this area, this is the Chowk, Ramphal Chowk, which gives its name to the market. So we are standing right now in the middle of Ramphal Chowk, and you can see the market around this. So coming back to Dwarka, Dwarka picked up after metro came to Dwarka in 2005, and then it really took off. And now it's like a so this is one of the main markets of Dwarka. Dwarka has got other markets which are planned markets like Sector 6, Sector 10, then Ashirwad Chowk market, but this is probably the biggest. and there's a lot of street food here at night and lots of garment stores. So we are coming to the other side of the market, which is the Sector 7 side. And next to the market is this mall. This mall came up in 2010. It's called Star Mall. So I will make a video of this mall some other time. So it's a small mall here. It has got offices and restaurants and shops. You can see from outside. So this is the one end of the market, and that is Sector 7. This store that you see here, this used to be at one time Delhi Bazaar, which was a superstore, but now it's been replaced by Goyal Sons. And there is Mr. DIY here, and it's close to 9 o'clock. Looking at the shops, it would seem that people in Dwarka love buying clothes. So many clothing shops here. So you can see that academy called Aviators of Tomorrow. So there are lots. This is Garg Aviation. So like I mentioned, this is the hub of civil aviation courses since 2003, I think. So we have done a quick tour of the market. You get an idea. And there also there is a place called PMS Residency, which is like a hotel. And there is something called Achievers Library. That seems interesting. One more place, which is Aviation Geeks, Airline Pilot Assessment Center. So that was my short video of Ramphal Chowk in Dwarka. Because I know Dwarka so well, I have lived here for more than 20 years, I will do a series on Dwarka, different areas of Dwarka, and do tell me in comments below if you want me to cover some parts of Dwarka. So thank you very much for watching. It's a Tuesday evening, it's 9 o'clock now, the market is closing down. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.